5K to reserve, how much po ang monthly and TCP? Hi, Charmelito. So yes, 5,000 to reserve lang tayo for our Pacific Town. Ipa-flash ko yan dito para makita nyo. And yan yung pinaka-recent video na in-upload namin sa aming social media account. And totoo naman talaga na 5,000 to reserve lang yan. At on the marketing side, lumalabas siya na rent to own kasi pwede mo na malipatan yung property even nagda-down payment ka pa lang. So, diba, bakit ka magre-renta? If pwede ka naman magkaroon ng property na kahit nasa down payment stage, malilipatan mo na. So, the question is, paano siya nag-work? Ano ang computation? Paano mag-reserve? Paano ang process? Assuming nakapag-tripping na tayo, nagustuhan mo yung project and you wanted to proceed with the reservation, either sa ating Pacific Town Kabuko or Pacific Town Conshu, initially, we'll be needing 2 requirements lang po. That will be your valid ID, 2 valid IDs po yan. Pwede na natin i-photocopy sa office yan, and